What is up, guys? It's Config here, and today I'm back with a brand new video, and what we're going to be looking at is how to install the NecroBot for Pokemon Go. Now, this NecroBot has been renowned for being the best Pokemon Go bot because it has the most features, and it's just amazing how much it could do. But it is a little complicated to set up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it super easily, and how it will always keep itself updated. So the only two things you need to download this NecroBot is Microsoft Visual Studio, and this is just to run it in the first place. And you need this program called Git for Windows, which is basically just an add-on to your terminal. And once you have these two downloaded, then you're pretty much set, and I will show you guys how to continue the process from here. Alright, so once you have those two downloaded, you can just go over here and you can make a new folder. So I'm just going to call it Pokemon Go Bot. And just open it up and right click, and once you have Git installed, it'll have these two options right here. So just press Git bash here, and I'll bring that over here. And basically what you need to do to get this to work is you need to type in git clone ---- recursive, and then type in this link, https://github.com/necroomicon_necrobot.git. And once you have this all typed in, you just press enter, and it will clone all of the files right into your folder, so you won't have to worry about updating it, and it'll do this every so often so that it'll automatically get the new updates from the bot, which makes sure your bot will always be up to date. So now that we have the Git folder in here, you just open it up and see there's a little Git folder here, so you're pretty much all set to go. So the first thing you need to do is open up the NecroBot for Pokemon Go.sln. So you can open this, and let me get it open over here. It's loading right now. Alright, so now that you have the Microsoft Visual Studio thing open, the first thing you need to do is go up here to pogonecrobot.cli, right click it, and set as startup project. And now what you need to do after that is press Control and F5, and it will load everything for you right here for the first time, and it'll create new folders. And now we can close this once it's done loading over here. So you can see that you just press any key to continue. So now it's stopped, and what you do now is you close it and you go back into this folder here. So go to pogo.necrobot.cli, and then you go to bin, debug, and config. And so the last thing you need to do is you need to right click this auth file, and you can either edit it with Notepad++ or just open it. And so I'm going to edit it with Notepad++. If you want to have your Google login, what you need to do is keep this as Google, but if you want to do Pokemon Trainer Club, which I'm going to do, you need to change this to lowercase ptc. And the next thing you need to do is you need to type in your Pokemon Trainer Club username and password, unless you're using Google, of course. And then if you're using Google, it will pop up with this refresh token, and you just put it in here. So for the Pokemon Trainer Club username, I'm going to use my account, of course. So make sure you put it in quotes or else it will not work. So I'm going to do iconfig, and then I'm going to type in my password here. Obviously, I'm going to blur it out so you guys don't hack into my account. But you do need to put the quotations around the password too, so that it works. So after you're done with that, you can save it, close it, and you can go into the config here and change some things, but I usually change this IV percentage to 90, and that's usually the only thing I do because the settings on here are pretty good, and it'll be super efficient. Now, you can set all of these items to the items you want to keep to different values, but I think the default ones are the best, and it's a pain in the ass to try and fix those. So, yeah, this is a really cool bot. So all we can do is just save that, go back to the PokeBot, go to NecroBot, open this again. And now that we have the Visual Studio window back open again, once everything is done loading over here, you can just press Control F5 again, And now that we have it over here, program will continue over any key press, so I'm just going to press enter. And now the bot has officially started, and so you can see these are already all of my Pokemon. It'll display the best ones here, and that you're done. That's all you need to do, is you just need to let the XP rack in. You can see I'm level 28 and I have a lot of Stardust. It's not showing up yet, but I have like over 400,000 Stardust. So this bot is really cool, and it is definitely the best one out there, so I highly recommend downloading it if you are going to bot in Pokemon Go. See, I have 380,000 Stardust here. This is all from using this bot. It's amazing and crazy. So, yeah, that's all you need to do for this bot, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.